Welcome to McPlum, simple solutions served daily.
You need admin access and saved work. Once that's done, start immediately. Open Settings, choose Update and Security, then Recovery, and click Restart Now under Advanced Startup. If you prefer a quicker route, hold Shift while you click Restart from the Start menu. This forces the advanced boot options. Make sure you note any external drives are disconnected to avoid boot confusion. You're initiating the environment that lets Windows give you the diagnostic modes you'll choose next. Once the machine restarts into the blue Options menu, tap Troubleshoot, then Advanced Options, and choose Startup Settings. Click Restart so Windows reloads the special Startup menu. When it appears, press the number for your desired mode. 4 for Standard Safe Mode, 5 for Safe Mode with networking if you need internet, or 6 for Safe Mode with command prompt when GUI access is limited. Make sure to note which mode you picked, because each provides different tools for diagnosing drivers, malware. After you sign into Safe Mode, run your diagnostics, uninstall recent drivers, scan for malware, or use Device Manager to roll back updates. Once repairs are done, simply restart to leave Safe Mode. Windows boots normally. If problems persist, run System Restore or sfc/scano from an elevated command prompt to repair system files. If you cannot enter Safe Mode at all, create Windows Recovery Media on another PC and verify BIOS/UEFI boot order. This often resolves stubborn boot or disk detection problems.
Thanks for watching. Stay juicy and subscribe.